I was at my friend's place over the weekend and he told me he bought the new Sihu Doro C300 Pro, so I asked him if I could borrow it and try it out. It's the new C300 Pro version with the 3-in-1 lever. This chair is unconventional with its lumbar support and futuristic design. However, there is one part which is not so great. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. My friend bought this chair, so this video is not sponsored by Sihu. However, I did register myself as their affiliate because this chair feels good to the extent that I feel like buying one for myself. Let's go through all its adjustments, starting with the 3-in-1 lever. Like other chairs, we pull upwards to jack up the chair's height. Rotating the lever forward frees up the seat to slide the seat forward and back. And there is a spring return, as you can see when I activate the lever. When I return the lever back to the center position, that's when I lock the seat sliding movement. Rotating the lever backwards is for us to tilt the chair back. It can go pretty far back, and it locks itself in the reclined position when we set the lever back to the center position. By the way, notice how the lumbar support slides up and down to follow my lumbar as I lean back and forth. This is the unconventional, unique design of this chair that I was talking about. Initially, I thought I had to adjust the lumbar support myself, and then I realized it actually slides automatically to cushion my movement. It's very nice. Okay, let's move on. Up next is the back height adjustment. From the lowest position, we lift the entire back up like so, and like many adjustments of this chair, once it reaches its maximum position, it will go back to position number 1. So there are altogether 5 notches for the back support. So for the headrest, there are 2 motions. The first motion is the push forward motion, which has a lot of micro position for those fine adjustments, not just the 4 or 5 notches we get like the back adjustments. And the second motion is the up and down adjustment. With these 2 headrest motion combined, I can make the headrest fit the contours of my neck perfectly. Have a look at this one last fine micro adjustment I'm making. It's subtle, but this one last micro adjustment makes it perfect. I love it. As with the armrest height adjustment is pretty standard. We lift up the entire column to adjust the height. And once we reach the 5th position, lifting it again will drop the armrest and return it to the first position. This is another not so common adjustment. I've seen a lot of office chair handles having quite a lot of full range of adjustments, but this rotating angle adjustments is pretty unique to me. And I realized it's actually very good for this situation. When we tilt our chair backwards, the armrest can follow our tilting angle to support our arm, with this tilt rotating armrest adjustment. There is also this combined rotating movement that allows us to adjust the distance between the handrest. And finally, the forward and backward movements as well. So many adjustments to one single armrest. Now so far, everything is great with this chair. And then there is this footrest which I don't like. At first, when I pulled it out, I find it's really interesting and surprised to see we can also do micro adjustments on the footrest support, which I don't think we need micro adjustments here. It's just a footrest. And then when I put my legs on it, I'm like, this feels weird. It's like my 2 legs are too close together and my feet are dangling. I don't know, it might just be me that I don't like this footrest. Well, the good thing is you can get this Sihu C300 Pro with and without the footrest. I would say save yourself a few bucks and get the one without the footrest. And then there is the netting seat cushion. I noticed the seat netting is a lot tighter than the lumbar support netting cushion. All these are well thought out design of the chair. Personally, all the office chairs that I've sat on for hours are sponge cushion, and I've not sat on a netting cushion chairs for hours, so I'm not so sure about the comfort will be an issue or not. From the 1 hour testing that I've sat on the chair at my friend's place, I feel pretty good. There is no aches and pains or anything like that. Now, one good thing about the netting seat cushion is the ventilation. It doesn't get warm during summertime. After testing it out, I'm pretty impressed with this Sihu C300 Pro, and I can understand why it's worth the price that they have set. This C300 Pro comes with a 5 years warranty on all parts, but only 3 years for the mesh seat. Their website is currently having 32% discount at the time of me publishing this video, so follow my affiliate link here and in the description down below to get this C300 Pro. By using the affiliate link, I get to earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.